All right, so let's jump into where to create, host, and sell online courses. I want to start off with looking at some different places that you can actually go to host your online course. And it's going to come out of your pocket in some way, whether it's going to be per transaction, the company that you go with or the platform that you go with, they may take out money each time there's a transaction or a sale. And that's going to be based on percentages, 3%, 5%, up to even 10%. And I'll show you an example of a company or a platform that takes out 10%, but then you don't have to worry about anything else. You don't have to worry about a monthly payment, $100, $200, $300 a month, and so forth. On this list, I don't even have ClickFunnels. Now, mind you, there are dozens upon dozens of places, really good places that you can host your online course. I'm going to show you a couple of the places that I've made thousands of dollars, show you proof of that. But we're going to start off with this one right over here is Teachable, been around a really long time. And you can see right over here, you can get started for free. They're going to take out a transaction fee and so forth. You're going to be very limited in what you can do with these platforms that go with the free. You're going to find yourself that you're going to want to go up to the least basic plan. They're still going to take out 5% right there. You're only going to be able to use 5 published products, and they're going to have a bunch of limitations. I find that once you get into the $100 a month on most of these platforms, that's when things start opening up. And you, for example, 0% transaction fees right here. And that is when you start making money with your courses, you're going to very quickly realize that you're going to be jumping up to their higher plans in order to actually get more features, sell more courses and products, and also save money on transaction fees, because this is where you're going to save on the transaction fees right over here. Another one over here is there's this Thinkific, and that's thinkific.com. You can start a 30-day trial right over here. I'm not dropping affiliate links to any of these right over here, but you can see right over here, plenty of people use Thinkific. It's a very high quality place to go and host your online course as well. You can pay annually. Most of us, let's be real, we pay monthly. So you're going to be at $49 a month. You can have unlimited courses, only one community, 5 spaces per community, and 0% transaction fee. So this is so far looking like a pretty good deal. If you did go all in on Thinkific and pay annually, you'd be at $36 a month right there. You're going to get more add-ons right over here. Obviously, the more pricing you go up. Things that you want to consider when you're looking at a platform as well is, do they host your videos, right? A lot of these places host your videos. A lot of them don't host your video on the platform. So you have to go and put it on YouTube or go find professional video hosting, which costs a lot. And in a lot of cases, the video hosting per month costs just as much as these memberships. $50, $100 or more per month to host your videos. So you want to be very mindful of that. Does it actually host high definition videos on the marketplace or on the platform? Okay. We have another one over here. I've used Samcart. I launched and sold a course on Samcart, made about $15,000 in just a couple of weeks. It was a higher ticket item, and I had some success. There was some things at the time, this was over a year ago, they didn't give very good analytics for their entry level. I was paying $50 a month, and they didn't give you analytics on where you're getting your sales from. They wanted to upsell you for all that information. So since then, Samcart ran its course with me. I moved on from them, but this is another place that you could go. They host your videos for you. It's a high quality customer checkout process and experience. So I definitely would recommend Samcart if that's something you're looking for, at least to go and look into. There's another one called Kajabi right over here, and the people are using these sites. Look, come over here. There's going to be millions of people going and viewing Kajabi. They're going to have thousands of customers that use them as well. But we're going to go over here to the basic plan, $119 a month. We're going to have 0% transaction fee. Great. You can have 3 products, 3 funnels, unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails, 10,000 contacts. So that's pretty good, but you're looking at their basic plan is $100 a month, and that's billed annually. If you go into the monthly, you're going to be paying $100 per month for those services. A good thing, I have not used Kajabi before, but I follow a lot of YouTubers that use Kajabi, and they've been using it. This is a seasoned platform. It's been around for over 10 years. The good thing is that they are giving you the email contacts and the funnels and so forth all in one plate. So you're going to have one tool that does everything that you need in order to launch your business, build your email list, start selling to those customers, and get your course up and running on a great platform. They do have a way to have a community in here as well. So this would probably be a good recommendation. Even though I haven't personally used this before, I know a lot of people, professional people, and even millionaires that use this to sell their courses. Some of the limitations is that you only get 3 funnels right over here. So if you're planning on creating a course empire, which I'm going to be teaching you as well, you're going to want the higher plans, right? You're going to need to sell more than one course. So you get 15 funnels or 15 courses right over here, and then up to 100 over here at the $399 mark. So Kajabi is definitely one to look at. But now we're going to start getting into where have I hosted my courses. Other than Samcart, I don't have access to them even showing the analytics, but I can go over here. I have a way to show you. We'll come over here and we'll go into my Gmail account right over here, live. No one else does this for you right over here. Getting JVZoo payments right over here, $59 right there. Boom. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, okay, so I've got the email string of what it looks like. So you've made a sale and look at this. So here's Samcart, right? Like I told you I used it and I did. So it was David Mills courses. This is from Samcart and you can see all of the sales. A little over a year ago, look at all the sales that I made. It was like $15,000 worth of sales. Look at right over there. Super cool stuff. But I moved all my courses from there and we went over here. I've sold some courses on Warrior Plus and you can see right over here under vendor. I'll just go over here and just do this real quick for you. We'll go into stats. This is a live account. This is my account. Come over here and we'll go into all time and you can see we have $22,653 right over here from some different courses. One of my courses made over $14,000 right over here. And we have Fiverr Profits Academy. That made me $4,000. Then we had AI Video Cashflow, made me almost $2,000. And we had a coloring book kit over here and so forth. But courses, those are all 3 courses right there. That's the majority of that, over $20,000. I'll come in here to Gumroad right over here. I've had 968 sales on Gumroad, lower priced items over here. And we're at $20,000, 462 right over here. And these are some other places where I've sold these products as well. We can go back and look at products in here real quick. And this is where you'll be able to see, I had one over here, PLR Profits Academy right over here. Boom. Almost $12,000 from 287 sales right over here, selling a low ticket item at $67. So all these are different courses that I've sold in here as well. So what am I doing today? I'm using this platform over here called System. I'm also using another platform called School. I'll leave links to both of them. You can go check them out. They're the ones that I'm endorsing right now. I've been around the block, as I just showed you and proved to you, all these different places where I've made tens of thousands of dollars selling courses. But right now I'm using this because I'm thinking from a newbie standpoint, right? You're getting started. You're trying to sell a course. You're trying to build a YouTube channel. What can I recommend to you that's not going to hurt your wallet and your budget? Because most people getting started in this business don't have any money to spend, and you really do need as much help as you can, and especially with the finances of how much money this is actually going to cost you. So when you come in here, there's no other best free plan that you can get on any platform that I've seen. And it's over here with the free plan, you're going to get 2,000 contacts and you can email them unlimited times. No other email provider anywhere that I've seen, and we're talking about all of them, ConvertKit, GetResponse, Aweber, you name it, any of them, MailChimp, they're not going to give you unlimited emails. MailChimp is the closest. They're going to give you, I think, 2,000 free contacts, but you're only going to be able to email your list like 2 or 3 times for the entire month because there's always a limit on how many emails you can send out. So with that said, this is an unbelievable free plan that you get with System right over here, and I love that about them. You can even have 3 funnels right over here. You can launch your first course right here, 1 course right there, unlimited students, unlimited email sent, 2,000 contacts. Your whole business in a box is right here. So you would want to go click the link, sign up for System if you want to launch your first course. I have 2 places that I'm launching courses, and I've launched these courses right over here. I can go into my dashboard. I have made money right over here with this course. I actually, the sale was kind of weird, but I've made a little over $1,000 on system right over here. But what am I using now? Well, I'm using my Skool community. So let me go into my Six Figure Freedom Club community right over here and show you how I'm hosting my courses now. But this is going to cost $100 a month, but I can put as many courses as I want in here inside of my community inside of here. So if I go into the classroom right over here, we have our YT affiliate blueprint. This is loaded with 2.5 hours of exactly what you should do in order to start creating a tutorial style faceless YouTube channel to build a real audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. And you can start dropping affiliate links in there and start making six figures online, exactly what I do full time for the last 3 years. And this is the course for you. Okay. But then we also have live webinar coaching calls and so forth. We put them all right in here. Look at on Friday, February 23rd, we have this case study update and so forth. So those are all in there, hours and hours of really good quality content for you. And then we have a case study right over here. So if I want to create a new course for my audience or for you, if you're new to watching my content, I can go over here and I can create this course right over here. It's very easy. Upload the image right there. And then I can go and start uploading videos. Now, one of the downsides, they will be adding this soon, but this is all about building a community alongside your courses. And that is what's very powerful. It is very popular. I don't know who coined this, but they said people will pay and buy your course. They want the tangible item. Here is the course. I'm going to learn a new skill, but they're going to stay for the community, right? When you offer more value and value on a daily basis, that's where the community comes in. And that's where, obviously, when you come in here, you can see this is a really engaged community. We can come over here to the leaderboards and you'll be able to see we have a lot of people firing like crazy over here with coming into the community and asking questions, helping people, another affiliate sale. We've got Brett making affiliate sales now inside of here. We've got Angie right over here building her channel over to over 500 subscribers. We've got Pav CPA right over here, has a ton of videos where he just ran it right out of the gate. And we have competitions in here, prizes that we're giving away, and you can just see the community engagement right over here. It's just nuts. This is why people will stay. Because it's a community that we can learn from one another, from like-minded people. It's a mastermind, right? And that's what a lot of people, when you go and buy a course, maybe for $500 or $1,000, they always have a community alongside that. But what this solves is that everything's all in one spot. So Skool is definitely the way that I'm going right now with how I'm running my business online. If you want to go and check out Skool, my Skool community called the Six Figure Freedom Club, then go and check it out. There'll be a link below. You can just go and check it out. But the point of this is that we can go in here to the classroom and I can add a course right in here. And the reason why I bring this one up is because right now I'm currently already recording my next course. And my next course is I've wanted to make this exact course for you for a very long time. And instead of selling this on Warrior Plus, I know I could make thousands of dollars from it on Warrior Plus and Gumroad, all the other platforms. I'm going to be launching this inside of my Six Figure Freedom Club, and only members inside of the Six Figure Freedom Club will get access to it. And this is a course that would sell for at least $97 or more just for the course. And I'm going to be adding a course library, and you're going to get access to all the courses, including my next how to create and sell courses online. That's going to be my next course. It's going to be launching in March. So you want to be sure to stick around, subscribe to this channel, because you'll be the first to learn about it. And you'll be able to jump in and get all that content. Also, the price right now for my Six Figure Freedom Club is only $20. It's $27, but I have members in here already telling me that I'm charging far too less. I can literally go and show you the post where people are telling me that the value of this community is very high, and it's much higher than $27 a month from the live calls that we're getting from the community and the help and relationships that we're building inside of the community, which is just great. And then also all the courses and all the live calls is just crazy. And so I'm thinking of raising this price coming soon. If you join in at 27, you get grandfathered in. So even if I raise the price, it would never go up for you. And so right now we have 55 strong members in the community. So you want to go check that out. But that is the point of the video, is that I'm going to be launching my next course. I've shown you how I've made tens of thousands of dollars $20,000 right over there, $22,000 right over there. My email shows all this. I don't have the total number over here, but it's about $15,000 on Samcart, and the list goes on. We have a system over here making money from sales as well. And so that course on how to create a course, and I don't bullcrap around, I don't sugarcoat, and I don't put fluff in. It's going to show you, it's going to jump right to the point, and you're going to learn exactly how to record your videos, exactly how to choose your topics, and how to take action, right? Oh, I didn't even show you the courses that I've put up on Udemy and made thousands of dollars, over $10,000 on Udemy as well. There's probably more platforms out there that I just came up with that one. Udemy, I also made quite a bit of money as well. So if you want that course, it's coming out soon. Go ahead and keep an eye out, subscribe to the channel, or even better yet, go and sign up for Six Figure Freedom Club, become acclimated to the community and the YT Affiliate Blueprint. You'll be on your way and ready, because it all starts here, building an audience that you can sell that course to. Once you build your YouTube channel and an audience, then you can take the course where I teach you exactly how to build that online course. And then from there, you'll be able to create your course and sell that product and sell it to your audience on your YouTube channel. And that is the simple formula, right? Traffic into your YouTube channel, and then people are interested in what you're talking about and they want to buy your course. Boom, they go in and they buy your course. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.